guys, so I'm jumping on in the middle of the week because I received not only my Ipsy but also BoxyCharm and Macy's. They all came in the end of last week, but I didn't get a chance to record that. I'm going to be out of town next weekend, so I wanted to go ahead and get this up for you all because I also wanted to announce the winner of the giveaway for the BoxyCharm in September. Going to be doing another giveaway for you all for this month as well. I wanted to also mention a subscriber, give a little shout out to her, and kind of something that I plan on doing and wanted to see if others might want to do as well. But you know what, let's get into this Ipsy unboxing, or unbagging I should say. Now Ipsy, it's been kind of hit or miss for me. I did not like the August box at all. September was better, so I'm really hopeful that they've got something nice in there. I hope the bag looks decent. Sometimes I do not like their bag at all, so we're gonna pull it out. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything like that at all, so let's take a look at the bag. Okay, all right, this is Halloween themed. You can see there it's black and it's got the purple for Halloween. It almost reminds me of like the Haunted Mansion colors at Disney World. They have a lot of purple and black, but it's cute. I like it for a little Halloween bag. It's got little skulls and spiders and potions and all kind of looks like a chicken foot. I don't know, but it's cute. So we'll go ahead and this one's okay for this month. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can take a look at everything that's in here. There is going to be a giveaway at the end, so make certain that you stay for the end of the giveaway so you can go ahead and enter for that. This month I'm actually going to give away some skincare. Last month it was a makeup product, so this month it's going to be skincare. But I'm just reaching in, and the first thing that I'm pulling out is Hey Honey. And this is a skin purifying bee propolis drops designed to alleviate skin redness, discomfort, and signs of acne. Now, I don't have any redness, and of course I don't have acne now. I used to have acne when I was younger, but no longer. But this is nice. I like Hey Honey products. I have a serum of theirs that I really love to use. I'm almost out of it, and it makes me kind of sad, but their serum was a little bit too heavy for my face. It was just causing me to actually have a breakout, so I started putting on my neck and décolleté area, and I really like that. It gives a nice shimmer. But this is nice. I'm going to take this and give it to my granddaughter since she is a teenager, and you know, just to help with any issues that she might have with her skin. Her skin is a bit oilier than mine, so this is an okay product. I do like that brand. So that is Hey Honey. Reaching in, here's another box, and this is called Sunshine Dew, and it's an antioxidant cleansing oil. I love a cleansing oil, and actually, if you want, let's open up. We're gonna open up the Hey Honey so we can take a look at the packaging. I don't want to just show you boxes here. Oh, this is a pretty bottle. I really like that. Look how nice that looks. I mean, that just, and it's a glass bottle. It looks like the serum in there is a bit liquidy, but I really do like that. It has a little squeeze dispenser, so she's gonna love that. It's gonna look really pretty on her countertop. So, and I'm happy to give her skincare when I can. Now, this one, the Sunshine Dew, it's from Earth Harbor. I've never heard of this brand before. Actually, you know what? I am going to see if I can pull up the app on my phone. So I'm going to pause right here. I'm going to pull up the app so I can go over these products a little better with you. Okay, we can start back up again. I had to go on my phone to pull up the app so I can tell a little bit about this Earth Harbor. And it just says it's an oil-based cleanser that'll transform your makeup removing and cleansing game. This antioxidant-rich cleansing oil uses papaya enzymes and sea kelp to gently condition and break down even long-wear makeup in one easy step. And I have to tell you guys, and I know I've mentioned it in previous videos before, I love cleansing oil, especially to take off your mascara. It just seems to melt it away. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's not as fancy as the bottle for my granddaughter with the Hey Honey. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it's showing up there for you. It really, I don't know if it's focusing in or not, but yeah, I like this. I will go ahead and definitely make use of this. I have a cleansing oil that I'm using right now that I'm super happy with, but once that runs out, I will go over and start using that one. Oh, now here we have a Dr. Brandt. They're heavy with the skincare this month, which is good because I'm giving away skincare products, so that fits perfectly in. This is a Dr. Brandt facial cleanser. And let's see what that retails for. Oh, now this cleansing oil retails for $24. And the Dr. Brandt's, let me take a look here, guys. And the Hey Honey, I can tell you what that retails for a little bit later. This one retails for $36. It's a pore refining cleanser that helps get rid of excess oil, stubborn blackheads with a combo of salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark extract. Now, with this being a pore cleansing cleanser, I might also give this to my granddaughter. So I'll have to see. I do have plenty of cleansers that I'm enjoying right now, so I might hand this over to her. I've never given her a Dr. Brandt before, so she's going to luck out. She's going to receive 2 of the 3 products that I've already pulled out of here. Now this next one is an iconic triple threat mascara. This is one she's not going to get because I'm so happy to receive this because I'm almost out of the mascara that I'm currently using. You know, I don't know if it's me or if you guys do it as well. I have probably about 4 tubes of mascara open. I have one that's a primer that I really love. I received it in one of my boxes. I don't know which one it was, but it goes on white, or actually it might go on pink. And it just seems to really like give my eyelashes a lot of volume. Then I go in with a couple of different types of mascara. Some of them seem like they lengthen. The other one seems like it thickens it up, so separates them. I don't know. I probably shouldn't open so many at once. I should just stick to one, but I never have. Now, I think that I've had this iconic mascara before. And it was okay. It might not have been like my favorite mascara. Not that I necessarily have a favorite one that is like a go-to one, but I do believe that I have used this one before, and it wasn't super thrilled, but it was okay. It retails for $26. Says feeling down about your stubby short eyelashes. Yes. Lash out with this volumizing, lengthening, and lifting mascara that feels weightless while it helps to instantly deliver drama and boldness to your lashes. Okay. Dense bristles coat every lash and lash evenly in deep black pigments, helping to give you the fluttery eyelashes of your dreams. Okay, so that sounds good. I'm happy with this one. So this will be a keeper for me. And of course, with Ipsy, you receive 5 full-size products every month. I will put the price of Ipsy somewhere along here too. I've forgotten what the exact price of that one was. It's probably like $30 some. But you're receiving 5 full-size products. I know this Dr. Brandt is like super expensive. This sells in Sephora. I see it there all the time. Same thing with the Hey Honey. This is another popular brand that I've seen in Sephora. And of course the iconic London as well. The only one that I haven't heard of before is the Earth Harbor. And that doesn't necessarily mean anything because I haven't heard of it. Because I've subscribed to subscription boxes for such a long time. I rarely go to Sephora or any place like that to shop for makeup or anything. Now I've had this Wonder lip retreat before. I hope it's the one that has the little wand. There's another one. It's like in a kind of a tube that you push up. I really don't like that one. It makes your lips really sticky. but I've also received another one that had like a doe foot wand in it, and with a sponge applicator, and I'm hoping that's what this one is. So let's take a quick look. It says it's $22. It's a lip oil, which I do like. Take your dry lips on a soothing, rejuvenating retreat with this transformative lip oil that offers unparalleled nourishment. Thanks to its high content of essential fatty acids, vitamin A, and antioxidants from a whole bunch of different ingredients, avocado oil, vitamin E, blah, 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 that helps smooth and plump your porch pout and leave your lips with a glossy shine. Okay, so this is a nice one too. So out of the 5 products that I received, I like 3 of them. These 3 I will be keeping. And with these 2, they're very, very nice products. They're just not for my skin care needs. And I know that I filled in. I don't believe that they really follow whatever you put into your beauty profile, because I know that I put in that I have, older skin. Not necessarily, I don't have any acne or anything like that, but every once in a while they send it to me. But I don't bulk too much because I have someone that I can go ahead and give it to that will get a lot of use out of it. So that is the Ipsy for this month, for the month of October. I really like it, so I'm gonna, out of 5 points, I'm gonna give this one like a 3.5, because there's 3 of the items that I like, and 2 of the items that I'm gonna give away, but they're still not bad items. But I want to go into the giveaway for you now. Last month for the giveaway, and if you're watching, the subscriber, she hasn't reached out and contacted me yet, but it's Hayaku Barbie, and she won the benefits. She won the benefits highlighter. So if you're listening to the video, please contact me. All my contact information is in the description below. So it has my Instagram, and also I think my email might be in there as well. So you can reach me either way, or you can just message. I'm always constantly, I check the comments every day, and I respond to every comment that's there. So if you just reach out to me in the comments also, I can try to get your information so I can get the highlighter off to you. Now, that was last month. Last month we did makeup. So this month I wanted to do skincare. And what I'm going to be giving away in the giveaway for this month will be the Alfie. That's the Alpha H. And it's a cleanser. And I'm actually might mention the giveaway. No, I'm just going to leave it to this particular one. For this Ipsy unboxing is going to be the only one that has this giveaway in it. Now, this is a balancing cleanser with what's got aloe vera in it, and it retails for $37 on the Sephora website. It's a large cleanser also, and I like the packaging of it. It seems really really nice and substantial. It's a gentle creamy lotion which removes all traces of face and eye makeup while balancing the skin. A non-greasy cleanser that has a 3-in-1 action to gently clean without drying or irritating the skin. And it has vitamin E, aloe vera, combines ongoing hydration throughout the day. So if you're interested in entering for the giveaway this month, what you have to do is you just go ahead, and you have to be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so, and just leave a comment in the comment section below. And I what I would like for you to comment about, and I had a subscriber that commented in the BoxyCharm for September unboxing that I did on the channel, and her name was Melinda Hall, and she reached out, and she was so kind, and she had mentioned that what she does is that she works with abused women. So if there were any palettes or anything, she'll accept palettes that are swatched or new palettes, so they can go ahead and provide these items for women that have suffered from domestic abuse and that are looking to start over again. And I just think that's so admirable of her. I plan on gathering. I have so many palettes that I've received, over with all the boxes that I get, that I'll just take and maybe swatch a couple of them, think that I'm going to use them, and I never use them. I cannot tell you how many palettes that I have. I felt bad just getting rid of them, but then too, I don't want to necessarily, I can't put them in my Poshmark store because they've been swatched. So this is like a perfect meeting for me, because I plan on sending her a lot of palettes that I've swatched, but I have not used them. If any of you are interested in doing it, it's a perfect time of the year to share, especially for somebody that's in need. So if anybody has any swatched palettes, that I'm sure that I'm not the only one that has them, that you haven't used, if you would like to, either you can message me. I'm going to put my address in the show notes, where you can ship them to me and I will ship them to her. Or if you would just like to directly ship them to her, just reach out in the comments. But for the giveaway, I'm sorry I went off on a tangent. For the giveaway, I'd like for you to put in the comments, what do you do with your makeup that you don't use that often? I have so many things, and I don't know, I hate to throw them away, but eventually I do throw them away because I need to make room for new things that are coming in. But what do you do with your unused items when you get something and you think you love it? I received 2 lipsticks last month that I kind of thought that I would like, and I don't like the color of them. I tried them on a couple of times and I don't like them. So what am I going to do with them? I mean, I still have them, and I'm thinking, well, maybe I'll have something that I can wear and it'll go okay with it. Or I just keep them there in my little makeup bin. I have one makeup lipstick bin that's all for like pinks and reds and mauves, and then I have another one that's got for browns and nudes and things like that. But what do you do with your makeup? So if you could just leave a comment, if you have someone that you give it to or you share it with, or you have a sister or mom or a daughter or granddaughter, what do you do with your unused or lightly used or things you've swatched? This is a perfect opportunity, if you're so inclined that you would like to maybe get rid of some of your things and not feel bad by throwing them away, but you can share them with somebody that's in need. So leave that in the comments below. I am going to be doing the draw. I'm going to use a random number generator, which is online for this. I think in the BoxyCharm one, I only had maybe 9 or 10 people, I think, that commented. My channel's still super small, but I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that watches the video and that subscribes. So trying to grow the channel here. I have a lot of ideas for different things that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing some interviews with some entrepreneurial women that hopefully will give us all some motivation and just to see things that other women are doing, that's kind of in our age group. We're not, we can still go out and start brand new endeavors at any age. So if you are interested in entering for this one, go ahead and just leave in the comment below. Or if you can't think of what you want to do for your makeup palette, then just tell me which one of these items that you think that you would enjoy having received. And I'm hoping that you have a wonderful day or evening. I'm going to be filming my BoxyCharm and the Macy's probably also this evening, but I won't be editing them all tonight. So thank you so much for spending some time with me, and watch the BoxyCharm, because that's what I'm going to be filming next. I have a feeling BoxyCharm is going to be a little bit better than Ipsy this month, since there was only makeup we had was the mascara, but that's fine. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.